everybody, how are you? In this good occasion, it's better for us to study English. But before we start our material, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Syarifah. I am an English department student of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. The English material that we will discuss now is procedure text. Before I explain it, I want to ask you, do you like cooking? Cooking is something that we usually do every day, especially for women. Cooking can be enjoyment if we like it, but there are some people lazy to cook or even afraid because they cannot create delicious food. To help them, people who cannot cook, we can see recipes. Recipes are very helpful. When we want to make delicious food, we need recipe because there are some steps that can lead us in it. Recipe is an example of procedure text. Another example is book instruction. When you buy a new TV or new phone set, there must be a book instruction in a box. Book instruction also one of the example of procedure text. When you want to download something on the internet, there are steps before we do that. Those steps also procedure text. So, what is procedure text actually? Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of series. Communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of actions or steps. There are three generic structures of procedure text. The first is goal or purposes. The second is materials. The third or the last is steps or methods. To know the text that we read is procedure or not is so simple. We can see the title. If the title starts with how to make or how to use, is certainly that the text is procedure text. There are 5 language features of procedure text. Number 1. Use adverbial of sequence. For example, first, second, third, the last, etc. Number 2. Use command. For example, put the noodle on the bowl, cut the onion, wash the tomatoes, and etc. Number 3. Using adverbials to express detail, the time, place, manner accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. Number 4. Using action verbs. For example, make, take, boil, cook, etc. And the last is using simple present tense. So, that is procedure text. You can find further example in everywhere, such as cooking shows on television, on a book instruction, and many more. That's all for the material now. I hope that you can enjoy this video and enjoy studying English. Thank you very much for your great attention and goodbye.